Okay, so this is for the reconciliation of the Wise. Can be found here, Dropbox, BWC, and you will see at the bottom there's a Wise in here. Okay, the statement is different because it covers almost all of the year. Okay, so again, you can download this. So I downloaded this already, and this is what I opened this one. For January, okay. So in QuickBooks, I need the last for the Wise is this, and the last date reconciled is 12/31. I think I've already recorded first. Okay, so there is a for this one, something is wrong with this, and I have to make adjustment in this one. So a lot of these are already reconciled except for this one, that there are two 8,000 which has a different, because we need only two 8,000 exactly, but this one has 0.01. Okay, we cannot change this one because this is actually what is actual on the other side. Like, this is actually a result of a transfer of funds coming from the 6748 when this entry was created. So part of that is the 8,000 for that, and only payments per payroll is 644.67. So there is a gap of that 1.6. Okay, so to correct this one in that way, we can create like this, make an adjustment for this, like do an expense. Okay, an expense, just to eliminate the 01, and we can use the Wise, then make a miscellaneous, use that one as our expense, then make it 0.01. Just follow what the date for the 8,000. One is January 18 and one is January 30. Okay, so this one we choose the January 18. Okay, and that's it. The one, and the other is January 30. We just save that to make it, create a copy, simple, then that one, then save and close. Okay, so this one is not yet what I mean match in the bank feeds, so we need to go back to the bank feeds and find for the Wise. Okay, in the bank feeds we have this Wise. This is labeled as transfer Wise here, and in the month of, let's say we need to filter this for the month of January to simplify, to make it more convenient for us to match and filter the transactions that only be found from January. Okay, then once that we run, so that's it. Let's try to match this. So the way we match, because there are two transactions that we need to match for each of these. Okay, so we see this, and we see also there is an 01 supposedly, but what's wrong with this? Okay, so for this is we need to click this one to resolve the difference, because if we don't click that one, there's a difference of negative 0.01. So we have to resolve that and charge whatever is the difference, the miscellaneous expense, and put a negative in here to balance. So you see that there is no more difference in here, and also this one is exactly the same as this. Okay, so that's it. Well, later on we need to correct that, the transactions that we made for the for the expense. Okay, So this is, we need to match this another 8,000 to this. Okay, and of course we need to resolve the difference, put it under the miscellaneous. Okay, and just put negative 101. That's it. Okay, so we're done with that, and save this. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now going back to this, let's try to refresh this to make it the transaction appeared as with this as much. Okay, so we have two matches in here, the O1, so we need what we have created earlier is we just need to delete that one, and yeah, okay, so the other also. So we have done this deleting, so we are now ready to finish our reconciliation, and that's it.